Hello everyone. As of now, we covered how to launch an easy to instance Oracle database software installation. Then we created a database called Python. So now in this session, I'm going to show you how to install Python and how to pull the data from the Oracle database using Python scriptings. I will show you the sample script which we use to pull the data from the Oracle table. So before that, let me show you my database name and also the open underscore mode state from $3 database. Select name underscore open underscore mode from $3 database. So here my database name is Python and it is in read write mode. So let me open one more session. I'm going to open the duplicate and I'm connecting to the Oracle user Oracle password. And in the left session, I'm in the database. So in this database, we need to create an user to pull the database information, table information. Let's create an user to grant TBA to KT experts identified by KT experts. So I have created a user called a KT experts in my database and I need a few tables to pull the data information. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy some data from the Google to pull the data. Let me open a new tab and here I'm going to use demo BLD default script. I'm searching for the script. So copy the entire script and paste it in your OS file. So to exit and create a file called the demo bld.sql. Which and everyone I have copied. Make sure the lines are copied perfectly. Save and quit. So now I'm connecting to SQL plus KD experts slash KD experts. And I'm going to run this demo BLD file. The script has been executed perfectly. Then I'm checking the tables information. So let me set the pages 500 and lines 500. And now I'm selecting the table information from the tab. Let's start from tab. So I have 5 tables and I'm trying to pull the data from the EMP table. So this is my data. So now the same query I wanted to pull from the Python scriptings. So for that we need to install Python. So let's install the Python here. So I'm connecting to the root user. From the root user, I wanted to check which Python version is already installed in my AWS EC2 instance. So here it is running with Python 2.7.5. So even if you have 2.7.5, we can install the Python latest version 3. So using the command called m. So m install python 3 hyphen y. So here it's starting installing Python. So it installed the Python 3 along with the PIP packages. It's successfully done all the dependencies. So now we will check version by using Python -- version. So when I give this, it's still showing Python 2.7.5 version. So now we'll try to check Python version 3 by using a command called Python 3 -- version. So now it shows Python 3.6.8 version. So along with that, we need to install one more package to pull the data from the Oracle databases, that is pip3 install cx_oracle. So we need to install this package to pull the data from the Oracle databases using Python scripts. And here it is installed successfully, and the version is Oracle 7.3.0. So now we'll go to the previous terminal. So here is my entire data, and here I'm going to create a directory called Python, mkdir Python. So cd Python. So inside this I'm going to create a file with the name called emp.sql using vi editor. So inside this emp.sql file I am going to pull some data here. So this is a script which I am going to use to pull the data from the Oracle database using Python. Here the name is cx_oracle, it's my import package, and here I am using the username called ktexperts with the password ktexperts, and here I have used some if-else statements inside the script which shows connection is successfully or failed. And also have written a cursor to pull the data, select star from emp, and the result will be printed, and the cursor will be closed with this con.close. So save and quit from this file, and so now I am executing this script by using Python 3 command, Python 3 emp.sql. So whenever I have executed this emp.sql by using Python 3 command, so whatever the data is available in the emp table, all the data will be printed in the screen. So these are my 14 records which have printed. Now at the top you can see connected successfully. So now I am using again EAP file, and I am changing in the select statements. So after emp I am going to write where employee number emp no equal to, and check my emp number. On emp number I am going to write, that is 7902. So let's save and quit and execute again the same script. So now this time I have pulled only one record which belongs to 7902 fold, and this is the script I have executed. Let me cat it. So this is the script we use for pull the data from the Oracle databases using Python. Thank you.